Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw tips and tricks. Not saying you'll ever draw this, but I am going to show you a few tools. It looks like it's like bent going into the bisque. So if we take a rectangle, pretty thick, with our ratio locked, I'm going to curve that in one or 3 inches. I'm going to curve that one in 3 inches. Now, if we take this box and duplicate it and move it downwardly, didn't really have to. Well, now I'm going to take this box and make it 3 inches up here. That's what I should have done. And no, the other way. So we're going to have to do that afterwards, just like I did it. So we can take the Smart Fill tool now, set on any color, doesn't matter, and you get that effect. Now, if you want that corner, we're going to left click, right click, and we're going to go to object and convert it to a curve. Well, it already is a curve because we use the Smart Fill tool. Now we can't use the rectangle tool to corner it, but we can go to Windows, Dockers, and Corners. And I already had that one kind of selected, so I'm going to back up again. Well, it's pre-doing it because I had it set. So let's take this and left click, right click. So it's trying to tell me which one to do, but I don't want that one. I want this corner, so I'm going to take my shape tool and I'm going to select it and I'm going to go 2 inches there. So I've kind of got that shape. Now, if you will set your object origin to your left center, and then when you make a Control D and make a duplicate and mirror it, it'll put it like that. Now, there's several ways we could do this. I would just eyeball it and hit the plus key on the keyboard and then start moving it down, hold down the control button until it kind of snaps. And then you've got that. Now, here's one of the reasons I decided to make the video. I'm going to take my Smart Fill tool. I'm going to fill all these in with the Smart Fill. Then I'm going to take my Interactive Fill tool and I'm going to swipe across. Okay, I had that one selected, so I need to select this one. Interactive Fill tool, and I'm going to put black. I'm actually going to change this one up a little bit and maybe even put a little white there. You know what? Let's go a little bit blacker. Let's don't use white, let's use a gray. Now we need to put another orange. And that's what's so important about the next tool I'm going to show you. See, it kind of looks like it's bent. I'm trying to get it like right there. It looks pretty cool. Now, here's the key. Go down here to your attribute eyedropper. Look at that. It makes them all the same. Now, you know what? Probably easiest just not to do these, and then we can object origin the other way. So now I want to change the colors. I'm going to leave this one that color, but I'm going to grab the Interactive Fill tool and I'm going to put a blue there. Well, I'm going to have to, because I use two oranges, I'm going to have to put a blue there. Go here, I'm going to use a green and another green. If I hadn't used that other one, you'd only have to do it one time. Then on this one, we're going to use yellow. You know, I had this doing it, and then you had to do both sides, but if you go Control G to group it, put your object origin to the right and mirror it that, well, I didn't make a duplicate. Let me go back, Control D and make a duplicate, and then move it that way. I really don't like it compared to my first one. First one looks like it's going into the bisque. And this kind of does, but not really. And you could very easily change all those. Let's just get the Interactive Fill tool and let's just take that white away by double clicking. I like that better. I don't think it needed that. And then just take this. Our object origin is still set there. Control G to group, Control D to duplicate, and mirror it. So now it looks like it's going into the bisque. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.